Live from my wow. Best explanation of chi I ever heard was from the terribly insightful Igbo mystic, Dibia Agubu. POV. Your mission is to rob a bank. Today you come with a Batman mask. Tomorrow is Spider-Man mask. Same you, the chi, same spirit, having a human experience with different skins. Anabanya. Ta. Robot yom. Kwali yom. Agameru geshi. No more can. I'm grateful for the awakening to realize that I'm here to rob this bank, not to get caught up in frivolities. I'll still order the Rolls-Royce cooling on to Moji. Don't get it twisted. After all, I'm going to enjoy the AC in the bank and probably swivel in the bank manager's seat while I swing my gun around. So I enjoy this theater while we are at it, while we keep full focus, while I keep full focus on the purpose of this reincarnation. Bring spirituality deals. Okay, Akadogo. Afian na zobu egum holy ezumiz. Check it out. Aneme enye ndị mmadụ aka ịga na mmụọ. Abụ m tibia consultant. I'm saying especially for the diaspora and Igbos, ndị na-enwele ike ị na-akpa na mmụọ na ofeke na-akpa na mmụọ ada anwụ chichie. Ofeke na-akpa na mmụọ ada anwụ chichie. So tinyalụ m arụ taa bụ mbọsị ọmụmụ ka ọ bụla ya. Afọ a we are finna do big things. Yes.